Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make gravy hotel style, full guide. Start by collecting pan drippings, straining solids, and reserving fat. Whisk equal parts flour and fat over medium heat until golden. Gradually add warm stock while whisking to avoid lumps. Simmer gently and season with salt and freshly ground pepper. Finish with a splash of cream for silkiness, then adjust seasoning to taste before serving. Focus on building flavor with simple, effective steps. After roasting, deglaze with wine or stock to dissolve brown bits into the base. Simmer with aromatics like shallot or garlic for depth, then strain for smoothness. Add herbs late to keep fresh notes, and balance with acid such as a splash of lemon or vinegar. Taste as you go, and finish with butter or cream for a glossy, rich finish. Quick recommendation and a small favor. If this guide is helping you, like and subscribe to support the channel. On another note, for busy cooks, I recommend the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for effortless floor care while you focus on gravy and sides. Voice control makes it easy, and it maps rooms for efficient cleaning. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Achieve perfect texture with a few reliable techniques. Whisk the roux until it reaches a light amber color for nutty flavor without burning. Incorporate warm stock slowly to maintain a smooth emulsion and prevent lumps. If too thin, reduce by simmering. If too thick, whisk in hot stock or cream. Always strain before serving for a glossy, hotel-style presentation that coats the spoon and enhances the dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.